the number of girls is 3 times that of number of boys. So let us take, let the number of boys is x. Therefore, the number of girls is 3x. Now what we require here, we require the total number of students in a class. So total number of students in the class is x plus 3x, nothing but 4x. So which is a multiple of of 4. So the option number C is the right answer. Is a sum of rupees 2000 is to be divided among 3 people, A, B and C. Here A receives thrice as much as B and B receives 1/4 that of C. Then we require the share of A is. First of all, we'll take the share of C as x. So let C share be x. Now the share of B will be already given 1/4 of C, nothing but 1/4 x. So the share of A will be, that is actually what it is, 3 times of B, nothing but 3 into 1/4x is nothing but 3/4x. The total amount is 2000. So A plus B plus C is 2000. Nothing but what is A share is 3x/4 plus B share is 1/4x plus C share is x. Nothing but 2x is equals to 1000 is nothing but x is equals to, so 2x is nothing but 2000, so x is equals to 1000. We require A share here, that is 3/4 of x is nothing but 3/4 into 1000 is 750 rupees. So the answer is answer B. There are 30 sheep, 6 pigs and 40 hens, and there are also some people who are guarding them. Here the total number of legs is 169 more than the total number of heads. Then we require the total number of guards. Let the number of guards is x, and each guard have 2 legs. So the total number of heads will be 30 sheep plus 6 pigs plus 40 hen, and the number of guards we don't know, that is x is nothing but 76 plus x. Now total number of legs will be, a sheep will have 4 legs, so 30 into 4 plus pig will have 4 legs, 6 into 4, and a hen will have 2 legs, 40 into 2, and these gods will have 2 legs, so 2 into x is nothing but 224 plus 2x. already given the number of legs is 169 more than heads. So what I can write now, 224 plus 2x minus 76 plus x is equals to 169, which gives x is equals to 21. So therefore number of guards is 21 and the option goes to option B. Given Mr. Ganesh earns rupees 50 on his first day and spends rupees 20 on next day. If he continuing earning and I have to find the day in which he will have 170 rupees in his hand. So the given is Ganesh earns rupees 50 on first day and spends 20 on second day. So that is he'll be having in hand 50 minus 20 is nothing but 30 rupees in 2 days. So Ganesh will earn in 8 days is 30 by 2 into 8, nothing but 120 rupees. On 9th day, he will earn another 50 rupees. So he will have on 9th day rupees 120 already have and another 50 is earning, nothing but rupees 170 will have. So on 9th day, Ganesh is going to have rupees 170 in his hand and option is A. I asked to multiply a number with 38. By mistake, he multiplied with 83 and got 180 more than the actual value. Now we have to find the actual number. So let us take the number multiplied by 38, that is number multiplied to be x. Then he multiply with 83, so 83x minus, actually he should multiply with 38, so 38x. What the difference we got here? We got the difference is 180. So this is nothing but 83 minus 38 is 45x is nothing but 180. So x can be given as 180 by 45 is nothing but 4. So the option is C. Given a man has some buffaloes and ducks. The number of heads is 70 and the number of legs is 200. Now we have to find the number of buffaloes. Let the number of buffaloes is x and number of ducks is y. What is given here? Number of heads is 70. So x plus y is going to be 70. Make this as equation number 1. Also given number of legs is 200. Buffalo have 4 legs and duck has only 2. So we can write 4x plus 2y is equals to 200. This implies 2x plus y is equals to 100. This equation number 1. Solving 1 and 2, we get x is equals to 30 and y is equals to 40. Here we require number of buffaloes, that is x value. So therefore number of buffaloes is 30. So the option A is the right answer. Here in this problem, given that 100 more than a girl, then how much does a boy and girl get? Now the problem comes to here. Let the pocket money of girls is X. Already given a boy gets more than 200 more than girls, so the pocket money of a boy will be X plus 200. Now given 2 boys and 3 girls earns rupees 12,000. Now what we can write here, therefore 2 of boy earns X plus 200 plus girls is 3x. How much totally? 12,000. This is nothing but 2x plus 400 plus 3x is equals to 12,000. Nothing but we are getting 5x is equals to 11,600, and here x gives 11,600 by 5, nothing but 2320. So therefore girls pocket money is rupees 2320 and boys pocket money is rupees 2520. Now in the question given that boy and girl respectively, so the option is going to be option B. Mr. Rohit obtained the marks in 2 subjects is 126 and he got 3.5 times as many marks in French as Hindi. Now we require the total marks in French. Let the marks in Hindi is X. Already given he got 3.5 more than Hindi in French. So the marks in French is 3.5 into X, nothing but 7/2 X. Also given the total marks is 126. So therefore we can write X plus 7x by 2 is nothing but 126. This is nothing but 9x by 2 is 126, implies x can be written as 126 into 2 by 9, which gives 28. So now what we require? We require the marks in French, that is 3.5 x, nothing but 7x by 2 is 7 into 28 by 2 is nothing but 98 marks. So the option B is the right answer. It was asked to find the value of 3/5 of a sum of money, but by mistake he divided with 3/5. And the answer is exceeding rupees 64. Now we require the correct answer here. Let the total amount, that is sum of money, is X. He divided X with 3/5, so we will get 5x by 3, and the correct should be 3/5 of sum X, that is 3x by 5, and it is exceeding rupees 64. So the difference can be taken 5x by 3 minus 3x by 5 is equals to 64. This implies 25x minus 9x by 15 is equals to 64, and x gives 15 into 64 by 16 gives us 16. Now we require the correct answer. But the correct is 3x by 5, nothing but 3 into 60 by 5. So we get the answer is 5 12s 60, so 3 12s nothing but 36. But if you observe the answer, it was not mentioned. So the answer is going to be 36 only. Ram's savings in post office RD is equal to half of the savings in Provident Fund. If he has 1,50,000 as total savings, then we have to find the amount saved in RD. Now, let us take the saving in RD is X. Now what happening? The total amount is 1,50,000. So the savings in Provident Fund is 1,50,000 minus X. Also given that saving of RD is equal to half of the saving of Provident Fund. So we can write X is equals to 1 by 2 of 1,50,000 minus X. So this gives us 2x is equals to 1,50,000 minus X. Nothing but 3x can be written as 1,50,000, which gives X is 50,000. Now we require the amount saved in RD. Even we are assuming RD as X, so the total amount which is saved in RD is 50,000, which goes to option number B. The members in the group is X and plus 1, that is including Ravi. We are taking this. Now the share of Ravi will be 1 by 5. So others will share is 4 by 5x. But already given that Ravi is having 2 times as others, as much as others. So we can write here 2 into 4 by 5x is equals to 1 by 5, which is nothing but 8 by 5x can be written as 1 by 5. This 5 and getting cancelled, so x is going to be 8. So therefore total number of friends including Ravi is 8 plus 1 is 9. So the option number B is the right answer. Rita, Sita and Geeta went to a hotel for lunch. Geeta paid 1/3 of Rita and Rita paid 1/2 of Sita. Now what fraction of the bill did Rita pay? Let us take Sita's share is X. So Rita's share will be 1/2 of Sita, that is nothing but X by 2, and Geeta's share will be 1/3 of Rita is nothing but X by 6. So total bill will be, it is going to be rupees X plus X by 2 plus X by 6, which results 10x by 6. Now we require the bill, the fraction of the bill which Rita paid. So required fraction is equals to Sita's share is, Rita's share is X by 2 by total 10x by 6, which gives X by 2 into 6 by 10x, x getting cancelled. The result is going to be 3 by 10. The option A is the right answer. a student needs 2/3 of the votes casted. If 1/5 of the votes had been counted, a candidate has 5 by 6, that is 5/6 of what he needs. Then what part of the remainder votes does he still need? Now we are taking, let the number of votes casted is X. So what we require here, we required 2/3 of votes to win. So now the candidate got already 1/5 of the votes, the counted votes are 1/5. That is, counted or obtained votes results is, we can write it as X by 5. So uncounted we have still is X minus X by 5, nothing but 4X by 5. Now already the candidate got 5 by 6, that is 5 by 6 of 5/6 of the votes he needs. So that is votes won by the candidate is 5/6 of 2x by 3, nothing but 5 by 6 into 2x by 3 is 5x by 9. So remaining votes will be required is 2x by 3 minus 5x by 9 is nothing but x by 9. So here we require in the terms of fractions, that is required fraction can be given as x by 9 by remaining uncounted votes is 4x by 5 is nothing but x and x can be cancelled. 5 by 4 into 9 is 5 by 36. So the option B is the right answer. In a train, at the first station 1/4 of passengers board out under 300 boarding, and in the next station 1/3 of the total board out and 15 boarding. On arriving the third station in the train, there are 275 passengers. Now we have to find the number of passengers in the beginning. Let the passengers in the beginning be some x. At first station, how many passengers are getting down? 1/4, that is from the total x by 4 passengers are getting out and 300 are getting in, nothing but 3x by 4 plus 300 are there at the first station. Now at the second station, what is happening? 1/3 of the total board are going to be out. That means 2/3 of the total board are remaining. That is 2/3 of 3x plus by 4 plus 300, and again 15 are getting in. So this is nothing but 2 by 3 into 3 by x is nothing but 3x by 4 is nothing but x by 2 plus 200 plus 15 is, now how many passengers are there? 275 passengers are there. This is nothing but x by 2 is equals to 275 minus 250 is 60, implies x is equals to 120. So therefore at the beginning passengers at the beginning were 120. So the option goes to option B. 12 cost of 12 chair is equals to 9 table. So we are taking, let the cost of chair is X and the cost of table is Y. So what is given according to the first sentence? 12 chairs. The price of 12 chairs is equals to price of 9 tables. So therefore we can write 12x is equals to 9y. Next, what is given here? The price of 16 chairs. And 3 tables is rupees 6,000. So we can write it as 16x plus 3y is equals to 6,000. But according to equation number 1, we can write y value as 12x by 9. So this can be written as 16x into 3 of 12x by 9 is equals to 6,000. Nothing but 16x plus 3 3s are 3 4s are 4x is equals to 6,000 can be written as 20x is equals to 6,000, and this implies x can be written as 300. And from equation 1 we have y is 12x by 9, nothing but 12 into 300 by 9. It gives 400 rupees. So therefore x is equals to 300 and y is equals to 400. Now we require the total price of 18 chairs and 5 tables. So therefore 18x plus 5y is 18 into 300 plus 5 into 400 is nothing but 5400 plus 2000 is 7400 rupees, and the option goes to C. A dot cap charges a fixed amount and a variable amount depending on the distance covered in kilometers. Now first one, for a journey 30 kilometers is given and charges are 400. 80 kilometers 750 are charged. Now if a person wants to travel only 45 kilometers, then how much he has to pay? This is the question given to us. Let the fixed charges are rupees x we are taking, and a variable charge is rupees y per kilometer we are taking. Now coming to the first journey, in the first journey he traveled 30 kilometers and paid 400 rupees. So x plus 30y can be given as 400. And coming to second journey, traveled 80 kilometers and paid 750 rupees. So x plus 80y can be written as 750. This is the equation first and this is equation number 2. Now solving 1 and 2, we'll get 50y is equals to 350 rupees, nothing but y is equals to 7. From equation 1 or 2, anything we can take here, y value can be given as 400 minus x by 30 is nothing but we require here x value. So x is equals to 400 minus 30y from equation 1. 400 minus 30 into 7 is 400 minus 210, nothing but rupees 190. Next, here what the question is given, if he is traveling 45 kilometers, then how much he has to pay? Now the distance is 45 kilometers. So we can write x plus 45 into y. Fixed charge is 190 rupees plus 45 into 7 per kilometer is 190 plus 315. The total is going to be 505 rupees. Option B is the right answer. Given that there are equal number of boys and girls, so let the number of boys and girls equal as equal, so we can take is x. Now what is given? Still 10 girls are left to play the football during the sport hour, leaving thrice as many boys as girls in the class. So that is, we can write it as, even the number of girls is also x minus 10 and thrice as the boys. So we can write 3 of x minus 10 is equals to x, and this implies 3x minus 10 is equals to x, implies 2x is equals to 30. That implies x is nothing but 15. So we require the total number of students and boys and girls, that is x plus x is nothing but 15 plus 15 is 30 are there in the class, and the option goes to option B. Given that Uma has 60 currency notes, in which some of denomination rupees 100 and remaining are rupees 500. If the total amount of currency notes is 10,000, then how much amount did Uma have in the denomination of rupees 500? So we are getting, let the amount, the number of 500 rupee notes be some x. So out of 60, remaining are going to be in the denomination of 100. So the number of 100 rupees notes will be total 60 minus 500 rupee notes, that is 60 minus x. And the money Uma has is totally 10,000. So 500 into the number of notes plus 100 into the number of notes with 100 is nothing but 10,000. Now it gives 500x plus 6,000 minus 100x is 10,000. So this gives x value as 10. Here Uma has 500 rupee notes as x. So 500 into x, that is 500 into 10 is nothing but 5,000 rupees Uma has here. So the option goes to option A. Among 20 boys, and each of them received rupees 100 more when the same amount is distributed among 25 boys equally. Now we have to find the amount. Let the total amount be x. So if the total amount is distributed among 20 boys, it goes to x by 20, and if it is distributed among 25 boys, it goes to x by 25. Now the difference between this x by 20 and x by 25, we got 100 rupees more, nothing but 100, and which gives x is equals to 10,000. So the option B is the right answer. 600 meters long, 61 trees are planted at equal distances, and the last tree, that is one tree, is planted at the end of the yard. what is the distance between two consecutive trees. Now here he is planting totally 61 trees. So 61 trees will have only in between 60 gaps. Now the total distance is 600 meters. Now the required distance will be going to be total 600 meters by the gap, number of gaps is 60, is nothing but 10 meters. So therefore we can write the distance between consecutive trees is 10 meters. So the options are not given, so the answer is going to be 10 meters.